So Andrew's doing Bubinga pump drill. Bubinga reload with Bubinga board. Smoking. Hey Marcel.
Yeah.
I gotta hold the board. Nope. Have to hold it. Because it's sliding. Yeah. So your notch is full. Smoking good. Keep it up, keep it up. You can do it. Breathe through it. Breathe through it. Keep it straight. Your spindle straight up and down. Nope. Lean back a little bit. Lean back a little bit. Good. That's straight. Keep it up. Keep it up. Go. 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 Keep going till you can't go anymore. Go, go.
Keep going,
go,
keep going,
go,
keep
go,
going, keep going.
Go. That's it. That's it.
It has to be there.
Get a big fatty. So there's no doubt. There we go. Yeah. Let's see. Keep blowing at it. 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 Keep blowing. Keep blowing. It's down in there. It's down in there. It's down in there.
Still smoking.
Still smoking. Blow through it. Blow through. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Keep blowing, keep blowing. Still smoking. Still smoking. Still smoking. Keep blowing, keep blowing.
There you go.
There's the glow. I see it. We got Andrew did Binga. What's the Binga is Jonka of 2410-ish with pump drill. And ninja name is Shuriken. Tribe is saved.
Tribe is saved.
Woo.
It's 3:47.
This one tars
1547.
up. The way this one tars up is so weird to me.
Oh,
Mhm.
wait till you see the JATOBA drill.
Thank you.
That's right.
All right. Kokoboa.
Coca-Cola.
So Marcel is doing Kokoboa with the pump drill. And he is feeling really enthusiastic and motivated to get a coal with this stubbornly hard, beautiful wood that matches his beautiful personality. Sorry, I shouldn't make you laugh. So we got light smoke and not much building yet. Lights. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, string. Okay.
Nothing.
It wasn't doing. Yeah, it wasn't doing much. Yeah. Glazing. It's some hard stuff. It's some really hard stuff.
Did it break?
The string broke.
The string broke, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let me stop.
Sorry. I didn't mean to take the phone.
So Marcel with the pump drill on
JATOBA.
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 Just wanted to double make sure.
Nice. Sorry, I didn't know I stole the phone.
Feels like it's moving around like.
Currently no smoke. It's still that really light brown color. No smoke.
It's so heavy.
I know. I might cut it down. Feels really heavy.
Because I don't know how children are gonna use it.
I know. Well, they're not supposed to use this one.
I don't know.
They're supposed to use that one.
Okay.
This is the children's
Because my friend wanted one for children.
one. I'm gonna cut this one down. So it's but you'll let me cut it.
So why is it so light? The color.
What's that?
Why is it so light? The dust.
Right. Because not picking up the temperature. Temperature's too low still.
Because it's lacking pressure, maybe.
Well, let's see what happens when I cut down the flywheel. Alright, so that was... Go. Marcus. There you go.
For the space and for the health
Just
variables.
for, I feel like my body weight is not on top of it. So now it is. And I obviously can't see anything that's going on underneath. So it's so here we are supplanting the pressure variable with speed and rotations and time, and especially time. Is it smoking at all? I can't see it.
Not really. I think it's missing a little speed. There you go. Yeah, now it's smoking.
So since you guys have both done this, you know already that you have to just capture the rhythm.
Yep.
Hopefully this cord won't break.
I think it's missing a little speed. Yeah. There you go. The nut is quite full. missing a little bit of speed. It's like ready to go, but so much dust.
It's a little light color.
Yeah.
Again, my
This is pump drill on leopard wood. Wow. It's there, it's there. It's there.
yeah.
Yes. That's awesome.
All right.
I knew you had it in here. So I'm glad we had that fail. So we